Good morning. It's Thursday, March 5th, 2026. Welcome to the DX Today AI Daily Brief. I'm your host, bringing you the essential developments shaping the artificial intelligence landscape. Today, we're tracking a massive revenue surge at Anthropic, complicated by defense tensions, Apple's aggressive move into the budget market, and a concerted push by hyperscalers toward custom silicon. Let's begin.
Anthropic is reportedly nearing a $20 billion annual revenue run rate, a figure that has more than doubled in just a few months. This explosive commercial growth validates the market demand for their safety-focused models. However, this success comes against a backdrop of increasing friction with the Pentagon. Reports indicate an ongoing dispute regarding AI safeguards, which could complicate future government contracts. As Anthropic scales, the tension between maintaining rigid safety protocols and meeting the operational requirements of national defense partners is becoming a defining challenge for the company.
Apple has officially entered the budget PC battleground with the launch of the MacBook Neo, priced at $599. Released amidst a broader rebound in tech stocks, this device is explicitly targeted at budget-conscious consumers who have previously been priced out of the Apple ecosystem. Analysts suggest this is a strategic play to expand the user base for on-device AI capabilities. By lowering the barrier to entry, Apple effectively accelerates consumer adoption of edge computing, intensifying competition with Windows-based alternatives in the affordable laptop sector.
At Mobile World Congress 2026, the narrative has shifted decisively from experimentation to deployment. AT&T has positioned itself as a lead architect in this transition, rolling out AI-native network architectures. This moves beyond simple demos. It represents the implementation of open AI systems designed to manage network loads dynamically. By embedding intelligence directly into the infrastructure, telecom giants are laying the groundwork for scalable, real-time enterprise applications, effectively attempting to reduce the latency barriers that have previously bottlenecked global AI adoption.
A new benchmark report from Hack the Box reveals that elite cybersecurity teams are seeing productivity gains of 3 to 4 times when augmented by artificial intelligence. While these efficiency metrics highlight AI's defensive utility, the report issues a strong caution regarding the talent pipeline. There is concern that reliance on automated tools may impede the skill development of junior analysts. The industry faces a paradox. While AI strengthens current defenses, it simultaneously necessitates a rethinking of how the next generation of security professionals is trained to maintain a sustainable ecosystem.
FinTech Global is reporting that artificial intelligence is effectively ending traditional compliance bottlenecks. The surge in AI-driven regulatory tools is reshaping the landscape, allowing institutions to navigate complex legal frameworks with unprecedented speed. This shift is fostering faster product rollouts, but it introduces new dynamics in risk management. As algorithms take on more of the regulatory burden, financial organizations are having to rigorously validate these automated decisions to prevent systemic errors in high-stakes applications.
Cyberscoop is highlighting a growing trend toward compliance-first AI approaches. Rather than treating regulation as an afterthought, organizations are increasingly integrating ethical and legal standards directly into the design phase of AI systems. This methodology aims to produce more trustworthy systems from day one. By prioritizing compliance in the architectural stage, companies hope to influence broader ecosystem standards and ease the friction of enterprise adoption in heavily regulated industries.
CNBC has released an analysis on the intersection of the Trump administration's policies and AI infrastructure. The focus is on how upcoming midterm elections and executive actions could impact the expansion of data centers. With energy consumption and land use becoming political flashpoints, there are potential risks for AI investments. Policy shifts regarding grid access and zoning could dictate the availability of compute power, thereby affecting scalability and the United States' competitive stance in the global AI ecosystem.
Time magazine has identified healthcare as the single most critical proving ground for artificial intelligence this year. The sector presents a unique challenge. Unlike consumer tech, errors here have life or death consequences. The industry is currently observing whether AI can transition from administrative assistance to reliable clinical support. Success in healthcare is viewed as the benchmark for AI maturity. If the technology can stabilize in this high-stakes environment, it sets a precedent for integration across all other regulated sectors.
A key executive spearheading Alibaba's transition into artificial intelligence has departed the company without explanation. This unexpected leadership change raises significant questions regarding the Chinese tech giant's strategy as it attempts to catch up with global peers. Observers suggest this may signal internal turbulence or a pivot in direction. As Alibaba remains a central player in China's tech ecosystem, instability in its leadership could have ripple effects on global supply chains and the competitive dynamics of the Asian market.
Amazon is doubling down on its investment in custom silicon. The company is prioritizing the design and construction of proprietary chips as a means to secure the most durable parts of the AI value chain, compute resources. By reducing dependency on third-party hardware providers, Amazon aims to optimize costs and control performance for its massive cloud infrastructure. This move reflects a broader industry recognition that owning the silicon layer is essential for long-term economic viability in hosting AI workloads.
Google continues to expand its custom silicon operations, viewing hardware as integral to the durability of its AI value chain. The strategy places equal value on data availability and the raw compute required to process it. By developing specialized chips tailored specifically for their own models, such as Gemini, Google is strengthening the infrastructure layer. This vertical integration allows for more efficient model training and inference at scale, ensuring they remain competitive in a hardware-constrained market.
Microsoft is aggressively pursuing its own custom silicon initiatives to bolster AI compute resources. The focus here is on specialized GPUs, memory architecture, and data generation capabilities. This push is designed to support their cloud AI dominance, ensuring that Azure has the underlying horsepower to support widespread developer access. As the demand for generative AI grows, Microsoft's move to bring chip design in-house is a clear bid to secure supply chain independence and improve margin structures.
That wraps up our briefing for this Thursday. As the ecosystem evolves from infrastructure to application, the stakes for compliance and hardware durability have never been higher. For DX Today, stay curious.